Hi, I'm Chris. This is Shoo Shoo, and this is Animal Addictive. Hi guys, thanks for tuning in and welcome to the channel. So this is the first video that is on this channel, and as by the title, it is IHS pickups. So IHS was about a week ago, and it was a brilliant day. Had so much fun. Left here at 7 in the morning. We were joined by Jeremy from Jeremy's Wild World. I'll pop his link in the descriptions. Go and check him out. And yeah, we travelled up there. Got in, brilliant. The venue, amazing, huge industrial. I think it used to be a metals works. Huge and very impressive. Yeah, it was spread over four rooms. It was meant to be 5, but it was 4. You had one huge, massive room and then 3 smaller rooms. The big room had the likes of Custom Aquaria, Spa Spiders, Venomous Vision. I think it was Venomous Vision, and various other. And then you had all the reptile traders and Sushi was about, but I think he's gone. So yeah, you had a lot of the big names in the massive hall, and then you had 3 little rooms which had probably around 5 to 6 traders in there. And yeah, it was such a good day. We very busy, very hot. The small rooms did help kind of spread out people. As you'll see by the video, we picked up a lot. There was a lot of reptiles, a hell of a lot of snakes, lizards everywhere. So yeah, really fantastic day. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. I'll see you at the end. So we picked up some Vietnamese mossy frogs. And these things are really cool. These are tadpoles, but they are huge. Huge tadpoles, and they have grown their legs, so probably the next week to 2 weeks they'll emerge from the water as frogs. Really cool, really easy to look after as they're tadpoles, as long as you don't use chlorinated water. And yeah, absolutely beautiful. Yeah, these are Vietnamese mossy frogs. Next, we picked up some Mediterranean tree frogs. Not going to pronounce the scientific name, but put it just there. These guys are cute, and they are tiny, as you can see. Oh, so this sellotape down, and they are right at, one of them is right at the lid. There's 2 of them in here, I think. Yeah, one just at the lid there. The other one is just here. Really cute, really tiny. Again, we'll show you them as they grow up. Beautiful. Next, we've got 3 phantasmal poison frogs, or poison dart frogs. These guys are really little and jumpy. So cute. You start. We got one there. Oh, this guy's a little bit smaller. We've already got one of these, so we wanted to get some friends for it. So he doesn't feel so lonely because he's just on his own. Bless him. But yeah. They're phantasmal poison dart frogs. Right, next up, got, I pronounced this wrong, Riobambi marsupial frogs. We've got 2 of these, 2 different colours. These guys are awesome. There you go, that's one. Look at the colours on it. Beautiful. And then the other one, which is more brown. Brown colour. And they are so cool. Yeah. Korean Bambi marsupials, £20 each. Bargain. Okay, and this is the last frogs we've got. We've got 2 red-eyed tree frogs. And these guys are so cool. Look at him. Absolutely amazing. And this one's asleep. Fast asleep. So cute. Yeah, beautiful little guys. So that was the last of our frogs that we picked up. Right, and on to the lizards. We picked up some mourning geckos. Got 5 of them for 40 quid. Look at them, so cool. So yeah, we're going to end up with quite a few of these guys. They are pretty. So we'll be doing a bioactive setup for these, which I'll video. That'll be at a later date. Okay, and next up, the last 2 lizards, 2 leopard geckos. One's a bold jungle, and the other one's, is it a tug snow or TUG snow? So tug snow, male and female. So these guys are obviously quite young. We will grow these up and then hopefully breed them. But yeah, these guys are so cute. Look at them, those faces. Yeah, these are going straight into a new enclosure, very like straight away. So I'm not too keen on them being in these tubs for too long. Just wanted to quickly video them for you guys. But yeah, awesome. 2 leopard geckos. I think I paid 50 quid for the pair. Okay, we go on to the inverts now. So this is we've got a bark mantis. Minute little guy. Really cool little guy. Hopefully it won't. Tiny little guy. What I do want to do, give it some water for the time being. So it gets a bit of a drink. All right. Yeah, that's the bark mantis. Such a cute little guy. So next up we've got a female ghost mantis. We've already got a male. Well, we've actually got quite a large female and a smaller male, which I'm going to grow up and breed. And then I've also got a male, very small male, same size, well, a bit smaller than this. And this is the female. So we're going to hopefully pair those, get some babies out of those. Yeah, it's a ghost mantis. Alright, so next up, these are cool. We've got some giant millipedes. So we've got 3 of these. We've got 2 males. No, sorry, 2 females and a male. I'll be going into a new setup later. Just look at those legs. They are so cool. So yeah, if anyone's ever handled a giant millipede, it's such a surreal feeling. But this one is a female. It's another female. So the other one will be the male. Yeah, that's the giant millipedes. Alright, so next we've got a couple of tubs of isopods. So we got some panda kings, 10 for £10, so basically £1 each. There's a few of them in there. I haven't got this in my collection yet. Yeah, really nice, beautiful ones. And then the other ones I've got are the armadillion destrori. Not very good at pronouncing these. But these guys, look at those. Stunning, large. Yeah, there's 10 of those for 12 quid. So we also got another box of isopods, and these ones are granulated, granulatum. This is 20 plus for £10, and there's loads in here. Bark. Got all of them. Yeah, brilliant. Got loads at the bottom there. So yeah, it's definitely more than 20 in there. Definitely a bargain. Quite a nice little tub as well. Little setup in the tub. Hopefully you get a lot out of those ones. Okay, and next we've got the orange koi isopods. I'm not going to try and pronounce that. Porcellinidus. Yeah, no chance. But these. Absolutely loads of them in there. Look at that. Really beautiful ones. Nice little orange colours on them, dots. Yeah, really good. Okay, and last of the animals, we picked up this mystery bag. 6 species of mantids, hopefully 6 different, and we're not going to get 6 giant Asian mantis. That would be, but yeah, so six species for 30 quid. I mean, less than a tenner each. That's really good. I don't know what's in there. It is sealed, so there will be I'll be unboxing or unbagging these in another video. So keep tuned on that. That will be out in the next sort of week or 2. So these are the 2 last animals on the list. These were gifts from Jeremy, from Jeremy's Wild World. These are 2 giraffe stag beetles. I'll pop the Latin name down in the corner. So these were a gift. These are male and female. So hopefully we'll get these reared up to beetles. That'd be really cool. So I'll keep you guys all posted on the progress of these. So first thing on the dry stock is this little tiny tank. This is also gifted by Jeremy. So this will house one of the mantids that we got. Not sure which one yet, but we'll definitely be putting one in. Yeah. Moving on to the dry stock, we've got some plants, a few varied different types of plants. These will probably be going into the bioactive setup I'm gonna make for the morning geckos. That's these guys. Really nice, healthy looking plants. And they really weren't that much. I think they were about £3.50 each, something like that. Really cheap. And next we got some botanicals, so some little pods and hides. These again will go into the bioactive setup. So yeah, I think these were £1 each. So yeah, really cheap. Okay, and lastly we've got leaf litter, jungle leaf litter. They're really large pieces of leaves. So yeah, again, bioactive, or really isopods, anything really like that. These work really well with. There we are. What do you all think? That was a lot of stuff. Yeah, it took a lot of filming and a lot of sorting out. I mean, we've only just finished rehousing everything and sort of putting things where we need them. So definitely a big haul. Yeah, let us know in the comments what you think. Definitely worthwhile going to the IHS. It was really fun. A lot of amazing things there. So yeah, there will be. We plan to upload every Sunday, hopefully. And then going forward, we'll have a look. We'll see. We've got a couple of ideas in the pipeline, so we'll keep you all tuned. In the meantime, in the descriptions, I'm going to put a load of links down for some amazing channels and amazing people that are so helpful and they're so knowledgeable, and they put out some really good content. So definitely head down, check out some of these links. There's also lives that happen in the invert community. So definitely head down there, check them out, subscribe to us as well if you like our content. It'll be absolutely amazing. But yeah, so till the next time, thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. Ta-ta.